Hey guys, welcome back to Hardcloud. Today we're taking a look at DC's new Fall Winter 18 line, which is taking a more kind of sporty approach. They're known for their classic kind of chunky 90s skate shoes, if you remember those, which they still produce. They're still awesome shoes, but they've also done a lot of more streetwear inspired kind of contemporary pieces, which are really cool. So we're going to be taking a look at some of those today. We're going to kick it off with some t-shirts. Here we've just got the classic Star tee, which just features DC's classic logo. Right there in the middle. It's got a really soft cotton build, no extra flair really, just a basic tee, great to have in your wardrobe. And then they also do loads of variations of their Star logo, as you can imagine. Got the Camo Boxing, which is a really nice little camo screen print on the chest there, just for a bit more of a out there kind of look. If you want to pair it with some other camo pieces, they've got loads this season. And finally we've got the Square Star PH hoodie, which is really thick, super nice for winter, if you want to just get cozy in a nice big hoodie, with a pouch pocket on the front, rib hem and cuffs, all the kind of standard things you'd expect in a hoodie. And again, that nice DC logo screen printed on the front there. Moving on from that, we've got a couple of backpacks this season. This is the one I particularly like in their camo with this nice gold embroidery on the front. It's actually embroidered this DC logo. And a nice little rubber patch logo there. Loads of pockets, two on the sides, one in the front, and one main pocket. It's got padded shoulder straps, which is super useful, and a sternum strap, which makes this great for long journeys. And we've also got skate straps on the front, so you can strap your deck straight to your backpack, which makes it super useful. And then moving on from there, we've got some smaller accessories like caps and beanies. One of my favourites this season is the Severs Crusher cap, which has just got a nice navy colourway with some red highlights there on the back around the opening, and then a nice rubberized logo on the front there with their classic DC 94, the year the brand was founded, and an adjustable strap back rather than a snapback. And what makes this really interesting is that it's super flexible and crushable, so you can kind of crush the brim and just crush it down into a ball, shove it into a backpack, take it out, and you're ready to go, which is really useful. If you're more of a beanie person though, we've also got loads of new DC beanies this season. Classic Fish and Destroy beanie, which has got a nice loose gauge kind of rib finish with a little DC woven label on the fold up there. Really snug, really comfortable, great for winter, can't really go wrong with them. And then we've got the striped Tamer beanie as well, which is a bit more of a out there design. It's got a nice stripe pattern on the fold up, and again that rubberized DC 94 logo on the front. This is also made by New Era, so it's got that classic New Era embroidery on the side, which is really nice. Again, just really simple little pieces. Moving on from there, we've got the Emerson Polos, which are really nice. They've got this panelling design, so it's got a solid black and bottom, and then a white panelling across the front on these sleeves as well, and that screen printed DC Shoes USA branding, which is super nice. And again, that nice little red highlight on the collar. Seen a lot of reds and blues this season, which is really nice. And again, on the inside there on the split side, we've got some red, which is really nice. This also features a rubberized 94 patch on the sleeve, making this a super uniform collection. You can kind of throw any of these pieces together and they'll all work together really, really well. It's got a couple of buttons to do up at the top. You can have it open or closed, however you like. And this is great for smarter occasions and casual ones, obviously. Kind of style it however you want. Super streetwear inspired, really nice. And we've also got the Clewiston mock, which is a bit thicker than the polo shirt, obviously. It's kind of an outer layer. It's got two side pockets with zips, which is super useful, keeping your stuff nice and safe. And it's also got a half zip at the neck, which makes this really adjustable and kind of a nice layering piece for the winter. It's again got that panel design, so it's got a slightly brighter blue panel on the front with that DC Shoes USA screen printing on the front, and multiple different materials used throughout. Again, that piping white along there, which makes this a really nice piece. Again, quite sporty, which they've gone for this season, and just really nice piece for the kind of autumn and winter months. And then finally, my favourite piece this season, and definitely the most standout, is the Gosforth coat with this super reflective panelling on the bottom. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up on the camera, but hopefully you can see it's somewhat reflective. It's also got the same reflective material on the collar here with this DC Shoes USA text, which is super big. It's impossible to miss. It's really just a standout piece. It's again got a woven patch there on the front, which is also reflective with the little DC Shoes logo, and again zip up pockets, which I think are really nice, just a bit more secure, and a plain old zip down the front. This is super thick and it's stuffed really nicely, so it's great for the winter, keeping warm. And it's also got a zip pocket On the inside here as well, again just more storage, nice and secure. Yeah, just an awesome piece. Great to kind of finish off any of these outfits. And all this stock is available at hardcloud.com right now. So